In today's video, I'll show you on how you can join a messenger group chat with a link step by step. So first things first, I'm going to navigate through one of my groups right here and simply I'll send it to one of my accounts. Now you want to make sure that the invite link for the group that you are joining is turned on. So in my case, I have this right here. I'll click on send in messenger and I'll send it to one of my accounts, which is going to be this account right here. Basically right after, it will then look something like this. You just want to click on the link m.me, which basically means messenger, and this window will show up. You will be able to see the group name, the members, and then you want to click on the join chat option. So basically from there, you are good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.